Alright, let's get right to it. I'm out here in my garage workbench area, and I want to show you this new project that I'm working on. This is a Kobalt 80 volt trimmer attachment off my buddy's brand new trimmer. And he gave me this one to work with and say, you know, have at it. So I took the head off, and it's one of those, you tap on the ground and the spool flings out and cuts itself and yakety schmackety. He doesn't like them. I don't like them. You may not like them. But I tell you, I'm not going to deal with it. So I want to put a new head on this thing. But the problem is this shaft. So I took it down to Fastenal, found out that it's a 10 millimeter shaft with left hand fine thread. And here's a couple of examples on Amazon. I went with the first picture. I'm not going to use these thread lock ones. But the good thing is I found out that it was a 10 millimeter and it was a reverse thread type deal. And also the spacing's a little bit off, so I'm going to have to use some spacer washers of some sort. I may not go with the ones that I have there. But here's the bearing inside here. It looks like it's a seal type bearing. But look at the pivot here. It still looks like it could use some grease. So I went down to O'Reilly's and got some of this marine grease. Let's open it up and see what flavor it is. It looks like it's a green flavored stuff. Definitely wouldn't put it in your mouth and, oh, it's minty fresh. No, don't do that. Yeah, this is the right stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this and pack that head once I get everything straightened around here and I get the correct line trimmer head for it. I'm happy with. And here's the old tube of grease I had here. I was just dabbing some off the end there because I was out. But you got to do what you got to do. Yeah, this is the right stuff. Alright, this is the project that I'm working on here. I'll keep you updated on how this goes and what I learned. And hopefully this helps out the next guy with their DIY trimmer head project. Alright, we'll see you next time.